Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The Savannah at the Vistas, Runaway Bay, is a secured community located along the scenic north coast. The Savannah provides 24 hours gated security, gym, tennis court, clubhouse with a pool, playground, and a jogging trail. This property is located on Discovery Drive and is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow, which also features kitchen, living, dining area, laundry room, and veranda. The land area of this house is approximately 5,165 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 41 million or US $266.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.